Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roche, aka Max. In today's video, I'll be doing a PR package unboxing. So this product is given to me and this is a surprise. I don't really know what's the inside of this package. This was sent to me just a few days ago. I have no clue what is the items. So if you're interested what we got, then please keep on watching. So okay guys, so this is the package. The company contacted me through an email. It was like an international company and I believe it is Flawless Beauty International, and it is also here in the package. And the company didn't even give me any like information what to do or anything like that, but since we got this here on hand, let's open it. I'm excited, and I know this is from Manila, so I guess that international company has a sister company here in the Philippines, and this is through LPC. Actually, there is a, supposed to be some kind of a notation here, but it was not in the box already, and the package is really sealed. So I don't know guys. It might take me a while to open this thing. I'll cut this video first and I'll be right back. Kasi maraming tape show. It's a lot of tape in here and it might take me forever. Okay? So, stick around. Okay guys. Busluton lang pala. You need to make a hole in the middle and you get into it. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get to the chase. And okay guys, so this is it. I hope they have instructions. Oh, actually, that's it. I thought it was something. Ano lang pala guys. Perfect, because actually I'm using it for my face right now. What is it? It's my highest view of my channel, and product they sent me is it's gonna be forever unboxing, diba? Kaya ang unboxing, no? Ay, forever. So it's the same thing. Woohoo! Product is ding ding. Koji Sanso. Thank you so much. Flawless Beauty International for sending this bar soap. It's very timing right now because I actually been using kojic acid right now for my face since I have bumps, and really it does really work with like getting my like heat bumps over here. Actually it did work for my face. Koji is really working for me. For whitening on the body, it takes a while, but yes. So we'll do another try on this. We'll try this on where? I'll try it in my arms. No, you can see it from that here. See that? There is a big like, can you see the difference on my arm? So we'll try that. Okay, so Koji-san, it's a whitening bar soap, kojic acid, which is really like useful for like whitening, and very popular ingredient for brightening and lightening. Okay, lightening, not enlighten. Lightening, okay, or whitening or brightening. I will be using this soap for a while. It will take a while. Probably we're gonna make a test for a week. Let's see. And I'll be vlogging, okay? I wanted to see my arms. At least I can just even it out here in this side over here. Okay, I think it can. And also I really have to avoid the sun, no? Since you are using a whitening ingredients, you need to make sure you are staying away from the sun to make the product really work. Again, Flawless Beauty International, thank you so much for sending this product to me. Koji-san, thank you so much. That's it, guys. This is my PR package unboxing today. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below what the products you are using or loving right now to like brightening your skin or helping you like evening your skin tone, because I have like a big gap right here and I'm interested aside from Koji-san. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Until then,